Do you still want your calendar reminder to alert you even when the notice tab is on? Whether you want peace and quiet or need to stay on top of meetings, here's how to set it up. To do so, go to Setting, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the Quick Settings panel, and then tap Settings icon. Scroll down the screen, tap Notification, tap the Notice tab, tap Alarms and Sound. Now, enable or disable calendar events. When this option is enabled, your calendar event sound and vibration will play even when the notice tab is on, while when this option is off, your phone will mute calendar alert during the notice tab. With this, now you can fine-tune your notice tab setting, keeping your focus time silent or ensuring you never miss an important meeting alert again. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.